Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on NIO on September the 6th of this year, when the price of this asset was at $4.85, and my main assumption in this video was that we have to see the trend continuation, we have to see slight pullback, and then we have to see trend continuation that should land somewhere in the range of 5.42, as you can see right here, and $5.5. And take a look right here, guys. This is the actual price action. We were at this point, we had the retracement exactly as I predicted in my video, and then we had the next leg to the upside that landed exactly in the price point that I predicted. And guys, this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer, for now there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you. And it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite a fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and let's take a look again on the price action. I have to say that it is not the first time when I made this prediction. I mean when my prediction becomes a reality. And on my previous video, I told you that right after this breakout, we have to see the next leg to the upside that should land somewhere around its previous swing high. And we had the swing high around about $4.94 all the way up to $5.02. And we land exactly as I predicted. And for now, guys, we are scratching the next potential range of resistance of $5.65. And all other details I will show you in my technical analysis, but for now, let's take a look on its fundamentals. And first of all, I want to pay attention to the China EV insurance registrations for the week ending September the 8th. And as you can see, NIO registered about 4.5 thousand vehicles. And in general, it is not the worst number, but it is not the best, definitely. As you can see, it is lower than it had previously by about 1,500 vehicles, by 25%. And we know that NIO insurance registrations should be at a quite high level, because let me show you. NIO guided for third quarter vehicle deliveries to be in the range of 61 to 63,000 vehicles, representing year-on-year growth of about 10% to 13.7%. when it reported second quarter earnings on September the 5th. The guidance means it expected September deliveries to be between 20,326 vehicles and 22,326 vehicles, considering it delivered 20.498 thousand and 20.176 thousand vehicles in the past 2 months. And guys, for now, we have a decrease in this number, and potentially this number might be questionable if NIO failed to deliver more than 20,000 vehicles. And definitely we have to keep an eye on these numbers, because these numbers might be the next catalyst, positive or negative catalyst. On top of that, guys, take a look on their 100% positive catalysts. Baidu backed GU to become new member of NIO-led battery swap alliance. And let me quote you this. GU, the electric vehicle maker created by Baidu in partnership with Geely Holding Group, will become a new member of the NIO-led battery swap alliance after the two have already partnered on charging network sharing. On top of that, guys, take a look right here. This means that GU will become the 8th member of the NIO-led battery swap alliance after Chang'an Automobile, Geely Holding, Anhui Jianghuai Automobile Group, Chery, Lotus Technology, GAC Group, and FAW Group. And guys, this is a very good long-term catalyst that will be one of the drivers for NIO for upcoming next decade, I think next decade, because the more companies will join this alliance, the more likely NIO will drastically improve their fundamentals just by leasing their infrastructure. On top of that, guys, take a look right here. On September the 6th on CNV Post was published this article. Deutsche Bank expects NIO to launch 6 new products and achieve 330,000 unit sales in 2025. And take a look right here. Deutsche Bank expects NIO to launch 6 new products next year, including new models and refreshes of existing models, driving further growth in deliveries. NIO's sub-brand Onvo will launch an ultra-large SUV and mid-size SUV in 2025 based on the NT 3.0 platform, analyst Wang Bing's team said in a research note today. On top of that, guys, take a look right here. The team expects NIO's total sales in 2025 to grow 44% year-on-year to 330,000 units, with 210,000 units under the NIO brand, 110,000 units under Onvo, and 10,000 units under the third brand, Condemned Firefly. And I have to say that NIO is aiming to hit this target this year. And why in the world they don't want to improve these numbers? I have some doubts about it, but at the same time, 110,000 vehicles under the brand Onvo is also quite suspicious number, because for now they delivered basically 0 vehicles till this moment, and they will start to do it basically in just 1 week. So it is what it is, we have to keep an eye on this, but at the same time, guys, take a look on the consensus analyst price target. It is a bit higher than it was previously at $5.93, because one company, let me show you right here, JP Morgan Chase & Co. upgraded their rating on September the 6th, and they set a new price target at $8 mark. And I have to say that it is quite a good upside potential of about 64.95% at the time when it was basically when this report was published. But for now, I have to say that I have a lot of doubts of its trend continuation on the short-term perspective. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, why I think this asset needs to have a cool down. First of all, it hit this previous swing high, and it is the range of resistance of $5.65. As you can see, we are scratching this top. On top of that, guys, on hourly time frame, you can see bearish divergence, lower highs on RSI with the higher highs on the price action. We have pretty much the same pattern all across the board: 2 hours time frame, 3 hours time frame, 4 hours time frame, and even on a daily time frame. This asset already hit it already broke the range in between neutral and oversold territory. This means it has to have a cool down. On top of that, if we zoom into this price section, you can see that from this bottom, according to Elliott wave theory, we potentially might have, this is our first wave, second, third, fourth, and fifth wave. The top of the fifth wave is debatable, whether it is this top, this one, or we might have another tiny leg to the upside that will not hit much higher targets. And guys, what is my main assumption? My main assumption is definitely to see the retracement, and if it is the top, of our fifth wave, we can see some kind of ABC correction to the downside. We might have an A, B, and C correction to the downside that will land, and the bottom of this price action might be somewhere in between 0.32 through 0.5 all the way to the golden pocket range at 0.65 and 0.618. But guys, first of all, I have to admit that we have to confirm this top, the top of our fifth wave, and the confirmation should be definitely the breakout below the previous swing low, the breakout below the range of $5.31. As long as this pivot holds, we still have chances to hit a little bit higher targets, but eventually we have to have this retracement. And I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it